Hello, lefty wannabes, and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. So, let's go ahead and get started. We are on the 5th month, so it's M5 2022. It's pretty nice to see, we're almost halfway through the year. And I think I've gotten farther than I did last year. It's hard for me to remember. But yeah, it's just nice to see the consistent progress and getting in with the process, and hopefully I do not regress, which I mean, I will if I stop writing, but yeah, well, we'll see. We'll see. All right, I'm going to move on to the lowercase alphabet. And that G was a little bit weak right there. Some of these letters are a little weak. I think I'm getting a little too excited, writing a little too quickly here. May need to slow down the pace just a little bit. Especially as I hit the last section with the numbers. Yeah, my twos, I feel like my twos should be better, especially since I write a lot of twos for all the 2022s, but it happens sometimes where it's not the best in the world, but that's okay. All right, so that's the 5th month of 2022 for maintenance, so almost halfway there. Alrighty, goodbye.